If today is your first time switching on to this channel, please stay tuned and watch till the end. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very simple turban scarf, and this is so simple to make. So let's get right into the video. Stay tuned. So to do this, I have a very stretchy fabric, and this fabric is what I'm going to be working with. This cap is very easy to do. To do this first, I'm going to be folding my piece of fabric into two, just this way. Okay, you have to have up to 6 to 7 inches at this point. Okay, now I will fold it up just this way and then cut it out. Okay, now the length that you should work with should be the circumference of your head. Okay, now the circumference of my head is what I'm working with, and I'll be dividing it into two. Okay, take for instance your head circumference is 23 inches. Please cut out a long fabric of about 24 inches. Okay, or if you're using a stretchy fabric like this, just go ahead with 23 inches because it's already stretchy. Now you can see that on fold this is 20 inches. That means when I open it is 40. Now you can see I have 20 inches on fold. Now I just quickly opened it up so that I will show you that the exact measurement I'm working with is 7 inches. Okay, now don't forget that why I folded it into two this way is because I'm going to be working with the two pieces, the two sides. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fold to the back and then stitch this side that is open up. I'll quickly stitch it up. Alright, I'll leave this side open. Okay, so you can see how it looks. Now this is the whole fabric. I've already stitched up the sides and is remaining the two ends. Okay, the two ends are open, so I just flipped it over. Okay, you can see the part that I stitched. You can see how it looks. Now I'm going to quickly fold this piece of fabric into two and then cut it out. Okay, just this way. After cutting it out, I'm going to quickly separate these two pieces out just this way. And please watch very carefully. Okay, this scarf is so simple to do. So I'm going to measure out to get the middle. You can see that this is 21 inches, so I folded it and then I'll be having 10 and a half. So 10 and a half will be my midpoint. At that point where I have my midpoint, because it's a stretchy fabric, I'm not going to be marking it with my chalk. I'm just going to be forming a gathers at this point with my needle and thread. Okay, just this way. You can see how I'm going about it, just in and out, in and out. Okay, and then I'll also do the same thing at the middle of this other side, just the same way, in and out, in and out, small pleats. Okay, now after doing this, I will ensure that I have secured my knot very well. That's tied this thread very well and secured it quickly. So this is how it looks. Okay, now I'm going to quickly flip one side across the other, just this way. Okay, just ensure that you do this way, and then I will do it for the other side as well. Okay, so one up, one down. You please, if you didn't get this, please back forward a bit and get what I just did now. One up, one down. Now once you're done, you have to fold it in like this and then run your stitch. Just look at the point where I'm pointing at for you to run your stitch. This area, Okay, this is where you will stitch up. Okay, let me just pin it here. Then on this other side, I will flip the scarf this way and then run my stitch at this point that I'm holding. Okay, so let me quickly run this stitch and bring it here for you. So I have done that, and this is how it looks. Okay, now I'm going to bend this over. You can see that this scarf is so easy to do because we're almost done. So you can see that I just bent it this way. Okay, and I'm going to run my stitch this way and all the way up. Okay, don't forget that you run it on one side, on one of the sides, and then you stitch up this area, and that is all for this video. So thank you so much if you have watched up to this end. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so every time I would upload a new video you'll be notified. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye.